Hey guys, we are doing hustle. This will be a variation on no, it's a variation. We'll figure it out. No, this is good. Okay, so this is what we have. And 1, 2, 3, and 2, 2, 3. Rolling break, 2, 3.
But we think you know a rolling break, so.
So we're gonna add an arm lock to it. Well, just go back to the rolling break. And 1, 2, 3. Stop Julie from falling. And 2, 2, 3. This is where the rolling break comes in. And 3, 2, 3. So I'm curving Julie in. And 3, 2, 3.
And I am, and 1, 2, 3.
We have not passed each other.
So I'm gonna do a side replace. What I do here is bring my arm straight up for arm alignment and also to save his lovely Filipino nose. At 2, 3, and then I can do an arm line here, or I can bring it down to his shoulder.
From this direction, throw out, and 1, 2, 3, and 2, 2, 3, rolling break, 2, 3. Now, the fun
What
part,
if? Here
what
comes
if?
the what if.
We're starting in a handshake, and I'm doing, and 1, cross, 3, and 2, 2, 3. Look, rolling break, and 3, 2, 3.
But it's led from a left to left handshake. And so it will be fine for us, but a little tricky for Don.
And 1, cross, arm lock.
So notice he's moving to his right in order to accommodate this. Picks up my left hand with his left hand.
And releases my back hand, which is my right hand. And 2, 2, 3. This is where the rolling break comes in. And 3, 2, 3.
So I want to do it one more time so you can see his hand on my back. And 1, 2, 3. And 2, 2, 3. At this point, the back of his hand is on my right shoulder blade. As I turn, and 3, you'll see that the hand has gone now palm to my back. As I move past him, it'll move over to my left shoulder blade. 2, 3, and off my back.
So the bonus part.
We got a bonus part, huh?
And 1, 2, 3, and 2, 2, 3, and 3, 2, 3, and 1.
Oh.
Cutting it. So again, for those who are bored, and 1, 2, 3, and 2, 2, 3, and 3. Weights on my right foot, I'm cutting into Julie. 2, 3, and 1. Yeah. Okay.
Gives you something to do in case you're bored, right? This was a great pattern. Let us know what you think.
Bye.